Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to look at BeCexy pre-qualification code. If you are yet to qualify for this airdrop, today's code is live and the code is here. So before we dive in full, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do well to subscribe, like and share, and also join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel for high value content. So right here is the code. You are going to use it immediately. The code is 25124. It is working. If it is not working for you, I'm going to drop the old codes. You can as well try them. They used to add extra slot to the old codes, so sometimes all these old codes are working, but it's left for you to calm down and try them one after the other. So I'm also going to attach the old codes in the video description, so do well to click on any of them at any interval and check the one that will work for you. And if you want to get the code once the code is dropped, do well to join our WhatsApp group. You are going to get it. Those in our WhatsApp group have gotten the code and they have used it and it worked for them. So if you want to get eligible, kindly join my WhatsApp group and get ready for the next code.